Hey friends, hello. I am Anchal Lala, and I'm going to talk today about communication practice. Our subject course code is A18BS02, and basically we are going to just have a small introduction related to communication term today. So you all may be saying that we all are communicating every day, every minute, every second. So basically, let me throw a question to all of you that what is exactly communication? So communication is nothing but to talk to each other, to interact with each other, to share opinion of each other, to make the feelings common, and so on and so forth. Do we communicate right from the moment we take birth till the moment we die? Of course, yes. The answer is yes, because when we are taking birth, say for example, when a 1 day old baby takes birth, even that baby is communicating with his or her mother by crying, saying that feed me, I'm hungry. By crying, saying that I am unclean, please clean me. I mean to say that communication is something which begins right from the moment when a human being takes birth. Is communication confined to human beings? No, not at all. It is a very important feature of all the living beings, including dogs, cats, and cows. But only thing is they have limited types of sounds. Cats will only mew, dogs will only bark. But when a human being wants to communicate, he or she can communicate in all the different ways. For example, if I want to ask you, how are you? I may ask you, how are you? कैसे हो तुम? केम छो? कैसे हो? And even if I am not using these languages, I can simply put my actions and gestures in front of you and I can ask you, how are you? So this is what is the charm of communication. It is a very vast term, and remember friends, for this research is going on and on and on. Yet the researchers have not stopped their research and the communication is still in the research process. Why is it required? Let me tell you again. Communication is very important in all the four zones of human beings' life. It is important to enhance our personal relationships. Personal relationships will also try to have influence on our professional relationships. So communication is required for personal zone, for professional zone, for the social zone, and in all to maintain all the sorts of relationships of a human being in the world, communication is very much desirable. Let me talk about from where it has been originated. Communication term has been actually originated from one of the oldest language, that is Latin language, and the Latin term was communis, and this communis says that the meaning of communicate is to share, to impart, and to make common. Now from this term communis has this term communication come into the picture. So let me be again clear with you that the term communis, which is from the very old Latin language, which means to share, to impart, and to make it common, from this term communis, English language term communication has come into the picture. Now, let us talk about how this whole process of communication goes on. So, what are the different components of communication process? In all, the whole communication process works on these 5 components. Sender, which is also known as encoder, message, media, receiver, which is also known as decoder, and the 5th and the most important component is feedback. Let us try to understand the whole process of communication in detail. Now, when we need to have a purposeful communication, obviously we do not communicate all of a sudden. There is a plan, there is a need, and because of that need, the sender will have certain signals in his or her brain which are sent via certain kind of words, symbols, pictures, actions, gestures, and then it will be in the form of an encrypted message. This message is sent by the sender through a suitable channel or media, and this is given by the sender to the receiver, and finally the receiver is giving answer back to the sender, that is the feedback. We will start with the other detailed parts of this whole communication process in my second video. Thank you so much. Hope this is good learning. Thank you.